Good morning. I woke up at 5:30 and I'm just doing a little reading, having my coffee. I have a very busy day today, so I thought maybe I'll do like a day in my life type video. Turtles? I didn't know that. I just got to this little French cafe, Le Petit. I'm meeting a friend for coffee, and I just wanted to show you this like makeup look I did today. It is kind of like my everyday makeup. It is like a no makeup look, so if you want to see how I got this look, you can check it out over here. And yeah, I'm just meeting her for a coffee and then probably pick up Violet. I have to drop some earrings off at the piercing place to get sanitized. I'm gonna get a 4th hole, and I want to take Violet with me so she can see that it's like not scary to get your ears pierced. I mean, it hurts, but only for a little bit, so I just want her to like see the experience to decide if she really wants to do it. And then I have a networking event tonight, so I will take you along with me there. But I'm gonna run inside and grab a coffee and read a little bit before my friend gets here, so hope you're having a great day. So I just finished that little coffee date with my friend. I'm about to go pick up Violet, and I will bring you with me. Yeah, I think you're going to Ren's today.
I think you are. That's what I was told too.
What was that? Look at how cute this is. My mom made this.
My nails.
Are you painting them? Let me see.
Wait, not until it's done.
Not until it's done.
One's gonna love this.
She's gonna love them. So I just dropped Violet off at her friend's house, and I have my mom with me. Oh, that's funny, it like moved on its own. Get your hand in there. We are going to run by the car wash real quick, and then I have to drop my jewelry off at the piercer to get cleaned. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store and stop by a store to pick up a birthday present for one of Violet's parties next week. And yeah, just running some errands. laundry. It's gonna have to wait until after the event. I am back at the plaza that I started in this morning. I'm here for this networking event. I'm a little bit early, which is funny because I thought I was running late. I was like really stressing a little bit and rushing. This is my outfit. Just a little slip back bun, and I have these cute shoes on. I definitely feel like I'm overdressed for the event. I feel like this is more like a casual style meetup, but I like to dress to impress, so you never know. I am hoping to hit the gym after this. I think I might only stay here for like an hour and then scoot on out and see if I can get a quick workout in. I have a pile of laundry sitting at home, and it is a school night for Violet. So my mom just got back to my house to hang out with her so I can go to this event. I had a really busy day, very productive, and I feel like I shot a lot of content for like a day in my life video and for my weekly vlog, you know. I did also film like a dinner, so maybe like a little what I eat, and I definitely do not feel like networking right now. It's not at all what I'm in the mood for. I feel like hitting the gym and showering, but again, I'm really working on doing things that take me outside my comfort zone, and this is one of them. So here I am, and I know I'm gonna be overdressed, but it's fine. So So I just left that networking event. It was okay. I ended up getting caught up in conversation with like 2 people for the entire time. But since my mom's in town, I got home, I changed. I'm gonna go hit the gym. I think I'm just gonna do some cardio and sauna. I'm actually pretty sore from my workouts this week. But typically I would not be going to the gym this late at night. I mean, I think it's like 7. It is a school night for Violet, but because my mom's here, I'm gonna go. Normally I'd go to the gym at night on the weekend only, but I'm gonna seize the day and the opportunity. So